Hi guys, welcome to Brains on the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying tuned to your girl. So, a manhunt is on for a robber, okay? Let's get into the story. Police have launched a manhunt for a man who was reportedly shot and injured while he attempted to rob a commuter in Halfway Tree, St. Andrew on Tuesday afternoon. The search for the wounded suspect is now underway along Halfway Tree Road and surrounding areas. The circumstances surrounding the incident are still unclear, but the Loop News understand that the suspect was shot by a licensed firearm holder before making his escape in a nearby Tangerine Gully, which runs adjacent to the Medical Associates Hospital. Police were still processing the scene at the time of publication. Robbers have been wreaking havoc on the Halfway Tree for some time now, okay? Honestly, I feel like the CCTVs need to be implemented because this robber attempted to rob somebody in the middle of Halfway Tree that is so busy. They don't have any fear. They're trying to literally rob a person in the middle of the day in a busy place like Halfway Tree. They have no fear at all. Not for law enforcement, not for the people, not for anybody. And some form of measures need to be put in place. It's about time these CCTVs be put in, and also most of these business owners need to have a CCTV in their place of business, not only to protect them but also to protect the public. Okay, it's easier for people to find these robbers if we have video footage, or if we can get a picture of them and put it out in the public. And also, I don't know where this robber is going to go because he is shot and injured, and if he don't seek medical help, he'll probably die. So more than likely he's going to get caught sooner or later, or if he can get to a doctor. And let me not say that. Anyways, like, comment, share, and subscribe. And tell me what your thoughts are in the comment section about these robbers robbing people in broad daylight in busy places like Halfway Tree. What are your thoughts on that? Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.